we got chili
No,
too.
only one, the red one. Ito, dito mo dun. Kamatis, harvesting nga, harvest time.
It's gold garden.
Eh, yung red lang.
I know. I got the red one.
Pati green eh. Sabi ko red lang eh.
Okay.
Sisirain mo na naman yan eh.
Where do I put it?
Wala na, garbage na yan. Only the red one.
Okay.
Red. O Gianna, kuha ka ng red mo.
Gold garden. Me?
Ayan, ang dami eh. Kung sisira.
That one?
Yeah, pick up. Pick.
Pick
Yeah.
this?
Yeah, sige.
Like this?
Yeah. See? Told you.
Not too hard.
Yeah, not hard. It's
Oh,
already
garden.
right.
Then,
It's already good. See? Tignan
not
mo.
red.
Hindi yan green. Red lang.
Not red. It's a red.
Hmm.
Who's this?